Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Big issues out there this morning with fog once again, even more widespread than yesterday morning. But the only dense fog advisories we have out there at this time are for parts of central and south central Nebraska until 10 o'clock this morning. There was an advisory in the southwest part of the state that was actually canceled here at the top of the hour at 7 o'clock this morning. There are other areas with fog out there, including some dense fog in other areas this morning, but it does seem to be most concentrated in south central and central portions of Nebraska. Now let's take a look at your forecast again. We've got a lot of fog out there, and there's also going to be a lot of low cloud cover out there even as the fog burns off. So it's going to hold tough through at least the middle part of the day. I think by this afternoon at least some partial clearing gets us up into the 70s with some warmer temps to the southwest. But it is going to be very warm out there, or it's very, very mild out there for this afternoon, just cooler than what we had yesterday in most locations. Tonight, pretty mild out there for the most part. We're going to dip back into the 60s for overnight lows, so pretty nice night ahead of us, although maybe a couple of clouds coming in towards tomorrow morning. I do expect more sunshine for your Friday and a warmer day, probably the warmest day we will see for a while, and also the warmest day we've seen in several weeks. In fact, we'll be getting close to 90 in some spots. Breezy southwesterly winds. This is all ahead of a cold front, not a very strong cold front, but a cold front that will come through towards Friday night. It's the first of two cold fronts over the weekend. That's going to bring us a chance of showers and storms late Friday night into Saturday, and we're going to kind of slowly drop those temperatures back, but it's not a big drop in temperatures like what we saw last week. Now, temperature-wise for today, mid-70s for many locations, although I do think warmer conditions to the west and also to the southwest. Again, all areas have that chance of fog this morning with a little more sunshine this afternoon. Mid-70s around the Tri-Cities, warmer in Kansas, and mid-70s out towards the east. But again, all these temps are highly dependent on when exactly that cloud-covered fog clear out. As for tonight, a mild night ahead of us, a warm and breezy one for tomorrow. Chances of showers and storms coming in late Friday night, likely after midnight, and then continuing into the day on Saturday, especially Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon in the southeastern parts of the viewing area will keep that chance around, but I think by Saturday night, the chances of showers and storms are really clearing out other than maybe the extreme southeast. A little bit cooler but still warm on Saturday, and then beautiful weather for Sunday and Monday, 70s, lots of sunshine. Late Monday night, probably after midnight, a chance of showers and storms returning, which will kind of continue off and on through Tuesday and Wednesday. And temps will be a little bit cooler, right around 70 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday, although not cold, just a little bit cooler out there as we get towards the middle part of next week. So for those that absolutely love summer and wanted it back, well, they're going to get it back tomorrow. It's not going to last forever, but again, we've got some pretty nice weather on the way overall over the next 7 days. Not totally chilly at the same time, not extremely hot, which you wouldn't expect really this time of the year anyway. So again, pretty usual mid-September weather out there over the next couple of days. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great Thursday.